So pretty. Hello dear viewers, welcome to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. And my name is Lizzie and I'm from Nagaland. Today the weather is so good for vlogging. It's raining a little bit but the sky is so clear. And I'm loving this place. It's so beautiful and magical. I'm obsessed with this place nowadays. Are you thinking about creating a YouTube channel? Create it, that's what comes in my mind. From before, I was thinking about creating my YouTube channel, but I was a bit very afraid that people may not like my videos or I will be judged by others. But then I realized that those people's opinion does not really matters. That's why today I'm here. I'm telling you, people should come and visit this. I am so obsessed with this park nowadays because when I feel low, when I wanted to meet friends or when I wanted to just have some time with me, I just come here and it's so beautiful. I'm just obsessed with it, and let me show you the whole look, how it looks. So enjoy it. Bye. Not bye bye, just watch it, okay? So it's starting from here. I'd like to go from here, okay? So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, there is a cute. There's a cute bank. Like to see? And actually, I'm holding my camera like this because some sides are not good. Yes, look at this. I'm just sitting here. It's so cute. It's so cute, okay? And look at here. Flowers. Ah, in my hand. Look at this. Do you want to see? This is what actually look like. This is the small pond. It's so beautiful. And look at this. It's so... And I'm loving it. I'll show you the whole thing, okay? I'll show you the whole thing. Whole park. There is a boat. There's a river. It's so beautiful. Yes. This is the whole park. It looks so pretty. I'm just obsessed with it. Look, this is the whole park. It looks so pretty. I'm just obsessed with it. Look at this cute bench. Oh, I want to sit, but you can see the bench is wet. I cannot sit. So bye bye. And I'm going to show you the whole thing. Oh my god, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this raspberry. Oh my god, this is so cute. I want to eat, okay? Can I take out one? It's tasty.